Let's dive right into the source code to migrate your existing applications to TaskDialog applications, or applications that make use of TaskDialog. For this purpose, I created a simple example application which uses the old message dialog, the old show message, and the old input query, and then the variants with a new message dialog, new show message, and new input query using the TaskDialog unit. Before you can use any of the functionality from the task dialogs, of course you have to include a unit. This unit is called TaskDialog. You can either add it here in the interface or in the implementation, whatever is more comfortable for you. So looking at the old message dialog, we see message dialog. This is what the old message dialog looks like. And if we run the application, you can see that this is what you're used to. Looking at the new functionality, this is what it looks nowadays in Windows Vista and upwards. So the only thing I do, or you have to do, let's see here, for the old message dialog, you simply add ADV for advanced message dialog. You can leave all the parameters in place. You don't need to change anything. This works as is. So now if we click the old message dialog, we got the new message dialog. So this is how easy it is with TMS to convert your old or your legacy applications to a new look. The same works for show message. Here we have the old show message click, old show message. This is what the old show message looks. Let's implement the new show message using advanced show message. It's the same thing, same parameters, everything. So the new show message looks like this. TMS offers, for your convenience, some overloads, so you can have more advanced show messages. Of course, this is for your legacy applications. This might not be suitable because you simply want to change the call to show message to advanced show message. Just for completion purposes, here are all the overloads. You can specify an icon, you can even specify a verification text and all that kind of stuff. So show message becomes pretty complex. The same, by the way, is true for advanced show message. If you look at the parameter overloads there, you also have way more variations than you're used to from the VCL. Finally, the input query dialog. This input query caption prompt value is what you've seen on the slide, 1, 2, 3, that's it. And the new input query dialog looks like this in the new layout, new style. But not much more going on. The only thing you have to remember, you not only have to add the ADV in the beginning, you also have to add DLG at the end for advanced input query dialog. That's the method or function to call. And this only has one overload. There are no more overloads available because there is different components to get that sort of stuff done. This is really just a means to an end to migrate your legacy applications to a new layout quickly.